Okay, we are reviewing how to graph from a point and a slope. First thing that you have to do is plot your point. So I'm going to travel along my y-axis or x-axis to 2 and down to -9. So that would be right about here. I'm going to move this out of the way. There we go. Okay, next you're going to use this slope, which is otherwise known as M. When you get into your higher grades, slope is just called M. So that top number 7 tells us how far we go up or down. The 5 tells us how much we go back or forth. So I'm going to change my color so that you guys can hopefully watch me count. So from that point right here, see the black dotting? I'm going to count up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will place the new point. If you could go up again and over again to make that line more particular or more correct, then you would do so. Otherwise, you just do the best you can to make a straight line and extend with arrows. There's the first one. I'm going to shift colors. I'm going to move to question number 2. Start again by plotting your first point, which is 3, 7. So I'm going along my x-axis to 3, along my y-axis to 7. The actual point is right here. You don't need all those other little dots. I'm going to erase them, hopefully. Oh, well, yeah, I'll erase them and then replot the 7, 3, or 3, 7. And then the slope in this case is -4 over 5. So that 4 tells me to go down 4 and over 5. So I'm going to show you how I'm counting with the little red dot, but you do not need to put those little red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Went down 4. I'm going over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will put the next point. Once you have done that, you connect it as best as you can, and that is finished. We've done 2 examples. We're going to go to the next 2 problems and do those. Okay, so we're continuing on. First step, plot your points. Well, okay, let's try this again. We're going to plot our point, which is -9, 6. So I'm going back along the x-axis, which gets me here. That's not my point, but that's how I count it down. And then up to 6. So my final point, -9, 6, is here. Now I'm going to use that slope of 4. Now that slope of 4 says -4. Well, where's it needs to be a fraction, right? So that's the same thing. We have been dealing with that. I'm just reminding you that that's what that means. So I can draw my little line if you prefer to do it that way. Draw down 4. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. And over 1. And plot your point. Since you can keep going. Down 4 over 1. Down 4 over 1. And you could even go down 4 over 1 again. That is how you make the best line possible. There you go. One more. The back side will be on your own. Going to start by plotting the point -2, -8. So -2, -8 is right here. And my slope is 7 over 2. That 7 tells me to go up 7 over 2. So I'm going to go ahead and draw, because that might help someone other than me. Up 7, 1. Well, it needs to be, why is it not drawing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. Over 2 boxes, put a point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes over 2, put a point. And that again is how you make a sort of straight line. Make sure that you extend all of the end of them. You guys are going to try the back side on your own. If you struggle, I will have the answers available for you in a video form, but you need to try on your own. That's the point of this.